So hey guys, this is Vishal. So I am recording my video in front of you. So this is a day, I think so, 7. Yes. So this is a day 7. So today I am recording the video at in my whole hall, and so I done a lots of delay to recording this videos. Now it is on 9 p.m. My dad is came, my mom is here, and my sister is seated and at back. So I am recording in front of my parents and my sister. So uh, I done a late to record the video because I gone at station for the searching a iPhone and for the tempered glass. I have done a lots of things about my phone that I have added a tempered glass. Yesterday I have shown in a video that I have ordered that Amazon parcel, the back cover of my phone, that was delivered yesterday. So that things I have done, and now my phone is now looking up very best. So these things are I have done. So I have done today what things, so I am sharing, and then we will focus on the yesterday story. Okay. So from morning I wake up at 11 p.m, not 11 p.m, I wake up at 11 a.m. Okay. After the wake up, I decided to that record the videos for the Srimad Bhagavad Gita. So after that, I gone for the recording of videos, and I started the recording video, and after that I have recorded 9 videos. Okay, for the my Srimad Bhagavad Gita video, for my main channel. Okay, where 93,000 subscribers are there. So after that, after that recording, I done a editing things for my that video, like Srimad Bhagavad Gita video editing, funny video editing, as well as the long video editing. So I have done lots of things. After that, I have making a thumbnail and uploaded the video, and that took a lots of time to handle that things. Okay, so approximate 5:30, the all things are done. So after that, I gone uh, for the tempered glass at station. Okay, wait. So after that, I gone at station for the tempered glass. So after that, when I reached at station, then suddenly my friend meet me. Then he told me, and we have talked approximate 1 hour at the station, where he's sharing his skills and I am sharing my skills. And he's from Thakur Shyam Narayan College at Kandivali in Maharashtra. So he's sharing that how the hackathon was going, how he's so suddenly we are talking the all things about the hackathons, about the skills, about the internship, about the college things, placement things, all things. So suddenly I talked about that how your English speaking skills is how much good. So he told that my communication skills is good. So I talked about how you enhance your skills. Then he told me that I am in a pre-placement group in my college, and I talk to everyone in English, and I have done lots of interaction with the companies and all things, because I am in a placement group. So they are giving the opportunity to talk to anyone. So I have shared with that I am making videos at home, and I am talking in front of the audience, and making daily 30 minutes video. So he told me that it's not work for your skills. Then I told why. So he told me that if you are recording videos, if you're if you're fluent in English, then no one in front of you that the person who correct you. If you are using a not proper sentence, if you are not using a proper word, then no one a person who correct you. So on that time I thought lot of things, that should I skip the video, should I not record the video. But once I start anything, then I didn't skip. Then my consistency will not having a words to things to stop the things, because I have started this challenge, and I will complete this challenge. This is my first skill I have. Okay. So this is my best and first skill I have. If I took anything to do, then I definitely do that thing. So I will make me a very best in fluent in English, and one day will come, then on that day I will proud of myself that I have done these things. So I will not skip the video making a videos. I will not skip the making a videos in front of you guys. And after the meeting, we done a lots of sharing about the hackathon. He shared me on one hackathon, and we are enrolling on that. And he shared about that how he's in which domain he is doing now machine learning. Okay, and I am in domain of web development. And he shared me about that how the thing is going, how he have a lots of internship also. Okay, so I have talked about internships, and then he told me that I will share you if your domain was matched, then you can definitely get your internship. But you have to know that you have a proper skills also. Because of the skills you will get the internship. Otherwise the internship guy will reject you. So I have showed my project to him. So he took took an interest on my skills, and he shared me that link of that particular internships. Then I will apply the today at midnight. So after that, I reached at the mobile shop. It at my station there is a one mobile shop was today open. That name is SS Mobile. There is lots of crowd are there because they are giving an offer of 5,000 rupees when a single man purchase an iPhone and anything above 25,000, then they get a 5,000 rupees discount, as well as they get the new smartwatch or a DJ speaker. Okay, so these things are they are offering in today's opening. So the order opening is today 7 Feb to 8 Feb. Okay, so this thing, then I enter in a shop, and there is a lots of crowd, and I have told that I want to purchase an iPhone. Then what is the price of the iPhone? Then they told me that 54900 is the actual price of the iPhone 15. Then I told what then how which price in which price I will get the phone in your shop. Then he told me that at 49,900 you will get the phone. So approximate 50,000 I will get the iPhone 15. So I asked my mother, I called my sister, and all things I have done. Then my sister told me come at home, we will discuss about that. So that's why my parents are sitting discuss on that. So that things. So after that I asked for the tempered glass. That they are not they have not available the tempered glass today because there is a lots of crowd, as well as there is a not lots of pollution. The dust are came inside your tempered glass, then the glass will not properly stick in your phone. So that's why you come at 10 Feb. Then I think that this was lots of delay. That's why I came at home, and suddenly I thought that near my home there is a shop where I take a tempered glass. Then I ran for that, and after that I have used 100 rupees to take a tempered glass in my phone. Then the after that, my tempered glass was stick in my phone, and then suddenly my sister called me that where are you? Then I told her that I'm in a shop, mobile shop, where I'm purchasing a tempered glass for my phone. Then she told me that come at home fast. Then on that time when the tempered glass was stick in my phone, I have done a payment. Okay, after done the payment, my phone is suddenly switched off. Okay, I don't know what the actual thing was going on with my phone. My phone is not opening, not open, still 30 minutes. Okay, I have a lots of worries, lots of tensed that why my phone is not opening, because I think that the shopkeeper man done spray on my phone with water. That water was affected my phone. Lots of things are going on in my mind, and then suddenly I thought that I should I go in a shop and complain that particular guy that he used this water in my phone. That's why my phone is not open. So after that, my sister took my phone and she pressed the switch on button, and after that, my phone was open in after the 15 minutes, 15 to 30 minutes. Okay, so I got happy that my phone is open. Then after that we discuss. Then my friend discussed called me. Then we are discussed about the hackathon. After that, my brother called me. He discussed about about their company, how is he is growing in his company, and all things I have shared. And after that, at the end, I have shared with him that I am purchasing a new iPhone. So should you suggest me what that is the right time? That he told me that if you want to purchase a new phone, then initially you have to see your home situation. After that, you have to take steps, because you are only one who know your friend your family situation. So you have to use each and every money, what to say, each and every money step to step, because if you are not able to know the uh, value of the money, then at a bad time you will not get a money from anymore, anyone, or anymore. Then I thought a lot of things that I will share with you, my family. I will share with my family soon. So that things in my mind. After that, I am recording the video. So from today itself, now I am in front of you. These things I have done from today itself now. So after that, from yesterday's story, when I reached at home, then my big daddy was told me that how was your exam. Then I told that my exam was not good, because the one subject my skipped, because I don't know the actual rule of the MSTCT exam. Then he told me why. You join a classes also now. So I told him that I have joined that class, but that I didn't have any knowledge about that how these things are going on. I suddenly what to say, I suddenly done these things, and suddenly applied for the MSc and I have done the exam also. So after that, he told me that don't worry, everything will fine. God will help you in this case. So after that, on the on after that uh, after that, one day I reached at my home. So I discussed these things with my family, and within 1 week, my family and me, we have gone at a village for my grandmother died. Okay, on that time we reached at reached at village. On that time, inside the train, inside when we are doing a journey for the village, then on that time my friend told me that the result was declared of MSTCT. Okay, wait 1 minute. So after that, when I am in train, then my friend suddenly called me that the MSCCT result was declared. You have seen. Then on that time, I asked him that what was my result. Then he shared me a PDF, okay, of my result. Then I shocked about my result. Okay, then God's plans always be a good, because I skipped a one subject like chemistry. Okay, you know all I have shared all this story in previous video. So after that, I get a 72.87% in my MSc. Okay, so I glad to see that if I scored 70.87%, then after that, after if I attempt that chemistry examination, so on that time I reached at 90 plus scored in MSc. Then I thought that it this percentage will work for my admission. Then I when I reached at my village, then I uh, done a lots of calls with my friends and about that. And on that time I doesn't know the reality of the uh, admissions, reality of the colleges. I doesn't know. Okay, on a time my friend who today meet me at station, I called him at my village. Okay, when I was in village. So on that time he called, I called him, and I'm told that my MSCD percentage is this. Then he is a senior, and he's a big 1 year. Okay, he's a 1 year big in front of what to say, वो मेरे से बड़ा है 1 साल. What to say in English? Wait, I will write. So on the time, he have an experience about what how the MSCCT examination, admission, and all things are work. So he have a lots of PDF about the colleges, about the percentage of the college. So he shared all the things with me, and he told me that this was the scenario, and if you are filling the form in future for the colleges, then you have to explore all the PDF about that percentage, which college you have you will get in future, because with your percentage, which college is matching. Then all things he shared me. He talked about me approximately 3 to 4 hours. We have talked about the colleges, about the all things. Then he told me that if you reach at Mumbai, Maharashtra at home, then we will meet, and we will discuss about the further. Okay. So after that, we when I reached at home here, Mumbai at my home. After that 1 year, 1 month, then the registration was started of the college. Okay. On that time, when I meet him, then he told me that your percentage is 70.87. Then I not I'm asking, no, that scenario is not. Then I reached at my home. Then I asked my brother. Okay, on that time. Then my brothers told me that don't worry, if you are not get any college, then my college is there. You will definitely get admission. But his college is in Vangaon. Not to say Vangaon, is Ambernath. Okay, the Ambernath distance from my house is lots of distance, approximate 250 kilometers. Okay, 250 kilometers. Okay, so at regularly basis, the travel was not possible from my side. So, and my financial condition is also not good, that I will take a PG for a PG hostel on in Ambernath. So should this work? Then he told me that everything will fine. You will take a God's name and will work, and things will work. So after talking him, I reached at my friend who's today meet me, and we discuss about that. Then he told me how the form will feel, how the process was starting, how we are giving a preferences of the particular colleges. Okay, so on the time I enter in a platform, and where I then suddenly I have a lots of scenario that I will take a Amarnath college, I will take a Ullas Nagar college, which having a distance from our house is 250 kilometers approx. Okay, then my friend who is a senior, he told me that you doesn't know the reality of the traveling. Then I asked him what is the reality. He told me that one day you will go and travel that particular college. You will know the reality if you travel for the 4 years, because our degree of the engineering is 4 years. Okay, so he told me that go and travel at the particular destination, and should this travel will work for your 4 year, should you do this travel at 4 years. So then I done these steps, and after that day I gone at Ullasnagar. Lots of traveling and lots of frustration. Then after they came at home, I discussed him that this is not possible from my side. Then that I will travel this 22 these 250 kilometers to these 250 kilometers daily, and with these things I will get a job. No, not possible these things. So he told me that this is a reality which you are facing now. You travel a nearby college uh, from our home. Okay, so I travel a Virar, where is a Viva College, and I travel a Vasai, where is a Vartak College. I travel inside the Vasai, there is a another college called as, I don't know, I didn't know the proper name of the college. Then I visited on that, and I travel a Boisar, where is a Thing College. I travel a Palghar, where I am in a college name is the Saint John. Then I travel a lots of colleges. After that, I get a proper no proper knowledge about the colleges, how the travel will work, how the financial, how my money and financial condition I can manage in which college. Then after that, I think I have only two preferences, that theme college and the Palghar side, that college, St. John College of Engineering, where I am in now. Okay, so and Vartak, the percentage is 90 plus, so I didn't think so that this college is getting to get to me. Okay, so at Virar there is a Viva college, but their percentage is starting from 75%. So that was inside the college I am not eligible. They are taking lots of monies, lots of what to say management. They are told me that if you are want admission, then you have to take a management spot round. You wait for the spot round. The For the admission process, there is a three round, cap 1, cap 2, cap 3. After the cap 2, cap 1, and cap 3, there is a spot round. Through in the spot round, there is a there is a student who doesn't allotted in these three cap. They are going for the taking a admission in management quota. Okay, in the inside the management quota, there is a full of money game. So who have a lots of money, they have taking this their particular college seats. Okay, so these things are going on in a spot round. So after that, I reached at Palghar for the verification. What is the scenario of the verification? When you want any admission, then you have to verify your all the documents like your 10th, 12th, all the certificates, all things which you have the documents you have done from your 10th. The all documents you have to collect, and you have to verify from the government that these verification are done in a particular colleges. Then my friend who met me here today, then me and him both are gone at Palghar, where is a college, St. John, for the verification. Okay, so on that time we have done a verification also. So on that time I explore a lots of lot on that inside the college, and suddenly uh, I choose this college because I get to know that this college is good, and with the traveling, the college is fantastic. From zero money, I can travel from my house to this college daily. Okay, so these things are going on. So I felt that these things will work for me for fourth year. So uh, I I request God that this college is this if this college will allot me, then I definitely take admission in this. So I ask college faculties that I get a 70.87%. These from this percentage should I get the admission? Then they told me that if you not get the admission, then you will come for this spot round. We will help you. So I doesn't have a good financial condition for that particular spot round. So my friend told me on that time, make your EBC. So I asked him what is the EBC. So he told me that EBC is a scholarship where government will give you a 40,000 discount, 40 to 50,000 discount about your fees. So I told him what is this these things, and how should I make the EBC. So he told me that you have to make a domicile as well as the income certificate. So these two things will work for their scholarship. So after that, I decided to make these documents. So for the domicile, I have paid 3,500 rupees, and this domicile will work for your entire future. Okay, and this income certificate you have to make yearly. After 1 year, you have to make a new income certificate. Okay, for the new scholarship. But the domicile will work for your all 4 years. Okay, you have to know not you not have to make this domicile again and again. Okay, so after that, when I added the preferences uh, in a portal where I have lots of I had done lots of colleges at started that top colleges I have added, and on that time, after the adding of the lots of colleges, so I the top colleges like KJ Somaya, Thakur Shyamnaran Thakur, and Vartak, lots of colleges I have added. After that, from the ninth references, I have added the San John College, which with CSC, with IT, these things which I want. So after the adding things, I have added the theme college below the San John College, and after that, after the 1 week, the the happy time was came for me. That was the main happy day. That my friend told me that you have allotted the seat in your particular favorite college. Then suddenly I got happy because the college which want, which I wanted, that my wish was that I want to My wish was that I want the college in this I want admission in this college only, and the God's plan was good, and that I get the admission in this college only. Okay, and I allotted a IT. Wait 1 minute. So after that, I allotted a IT branch in my St. John College. Okay, so I got a lots of happiness that I get the college. Then I called my father and my big father that I get the college. I get the college in IT department, and then I call my brother also. And I said all the things how my journey was gone. So he told me that don't worry, the admission you have got now, don't take attention, and make your personality good in college, and make your CGPA also Don't take any KT in your college, and these all things he told me that, and I remember the all things. And should this, I proceeded my first year with 0 KT, and after that I am in second year now. And in the second year there is a third sem was going on, and I have done a 0 KT, as well as now this is my fourth sem. Then I suggested by myself that I will not do any such thing that I get a KTs or these things. Okay, so for the 4 year plan I have done that. I didn't get any KTs. Okay, so these things are I have done. So after that, after the allotting at my college, then I reached at the college, and I have done lots of paperwork with my father, and him go gone and explore the all things in college. And the college things are very good, and the faculties on that time are talking in English, and they are sharing with their things, and they are sharing all these things in politely. So at first year I got friends. Okay, but the friend who is now with me, at initially we are not like we are enemy for us. Okay, because at that time when I seated on first bench, then he also seated on first bench, adjacent on my side. Okay, so he talked me about, and he always bullying me, and he is always making a fun of me in front of my friends. Okay, so on that time I should what to say, I should have, I took a step that I am blocking him. Then I have suddenly blocked from all the sides, because he's only bullying me in front of all the friends, and he's always tolerating me that he have a lots of knowledge and I doesn't have a knowledge. He's asking me in front of my friends what is the full form of SB, what is the full form of SCST, what is the full form of EBC. These things he is asking me. Okay, on the time I shouldn't have a full form. Then I am shame on myself that I didn't know that this full form. And on from that day I decided that I will block him, and uh, I didn't call, I didn't talk to him in future. So, but God plans I didn't know. Then suddenly we have seated besides again, and on that time we have talked. Okay, so God's plans I didn't know. We have not talked still 2 to 3 months. After that, suddenly we have talked. Okay, so on that day he again bullying me. So I ignored him. So from that day till still now, he is bullying me, but not that much level. But he's then I am also bullying him. Okay, so that friendship are going on now also. Then we are now such a good friend. Okay, so from first year to second year we are now. He's from DS department, and I am from IT department. But we are daily eating a food with us, and we are going at home. We are coming from home to college. We are going from college to home. From what to say in साथ साथ in English, I want to write that word. Okay. So guys, these things I have done all these things. So yesterday's story is very mysterious and very what to say in English, I don't know. So very best things. If you know the about tomorrow's story, stay tuned, and thank you thank you so much for the watching. And now it's time to it's this time is for recording the videos of my funning video. So I am proceeding that, and I am editing this video also at 10 p.m. So now last 20 seconds are remaining. I have a challenge of 30 days 30 minutes video. So I want to done that challenge. So last 10 minutes was remaining, 10 seconds was remaining. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So bye guys, thank you so much for the watching and have a nice day. Bye.